Hello and namaste to my precious warriors. My name is Neha Bhatia and welcome to my channel Nekagrata Align and Attract. You're watching Conscious Yoga Sessions. Well, today we'll be talking about something very important. Today we'll be talking about your strength and weaknesses. Oops. Yes, it is a yoga session. It's no training here, but it's about training your body, it's about training your mind, seeing how much your body and mind is aligned. Today we'll be learning Virabhadra 1, the warrior 1. Virabhadra asana is a very amazing, very powerful asana when it comes to understanding the weaknesses and strengths of your body and of your mind. There is a story as well which you may want to check on the internet as to where this Virabhadra has come from. No, I'm not going to tell you. That's your job. That's your task now. But yes, definitely I would like to tell you that this pose helps you bring a lot of peace, a lot of courage in you, and a lot of skill of taking action for yourself, right? And on the body level, it definitely helps you uh, relaxing, stabilizing, and balancing your body and your mind. Also, people who have desk jobs, it's amazing for them because it helps them release their stress and ease out their frozen shoulders and release the stress in the shoulders. It's amazing for your arms, for your legs. I think it's just a great posture. I mean, it has so many benefits. When you do it, you'll start to feel that there's so many things happening in this posture. There's so many tasks, so many um, multitasking basically happening. You have to focus on your leg, you have to also focus on your balance. It's really amazing. Of course, when you're gonna do it, you're gonna feel it. Of course, along with giving you a lot of stamina and energy, it definitely has some contraindications as well. There are many things that you need to keep in mind here. For example, if you have had a knee injury, you may want to use the wall. Also, if you've had a shoulder injury, when I'll be teaching you taking your hands up here, you may not want to take it up. If you have had an injury, you may just keep it here, or maybe you can just keep it on the waist. It's good to keep it here. At least you'll get some benefit out of it. And people who suffer from high blood pressure or arthritis and even heart problems, I would recommend them to avoid this posture. And I guess that's about it. Let's become a warrior today. And just one more thing I'd like to tell you. Once you finish this posture, in the end, when you close this video, you may want to just sit with yourself for a little while and see your strengths and weaknesses. I'm not talking about the body, but I'm talking about uh, something in your life, some skills, what all good things you have, what all weaknesses you have that you need to work on. And this posture will take you there. This posture will help you that balance your mind and your strength and weaknesses. So let's get started with Virabhadra Asana 1. All right, so to begin with, we'll be standing in the Tadasana, Samasthiti, making sure that you're absolutely stable and sthir, and a gentle smile on the face as well. Feet together, knees together, and rolling your shoulders back, just getting ready to become a warrior, a Virabhadra today. So from here, how we're going to go about in Virabhadra is, we will be doing a little warm up here because it is very important to, like I always say, prepare the body. Some of the movements we need to do here. So let's just begin with the knees because there'll be a little use of the knees today in this posture. So we'll just bend down, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you want, you can just keep your eyes closed for a better experience. Inhale. And once again, we'll be doing a little movement in the shoulders and the neck as well. So bring your head down. So you don't have to do like this to make it very uncomfortable. Just see wherever the chin goes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale one last time. Exhale. And come to center now. Now from here, once again, we'll be rolling down our shoulders. Roll out, in. Taking the hands up in the air. And bring it back. Up in the air. And bring it back. One last time. Look up. And bring it back. Now we will be getting almost in the posture. Let's spread our legs here. 3.5 to 4 feet. See wherever you feel comfortable. Now, when you're here, you will be turning your right foot towards the right side. Toes facing that side. Now, when you look at the heel and the heel of the left leg, so basically the heel of the right leg should be in line with the center of the left foot here. And making sure that you're absolutely ready to come in the warrior pose, warrior one. Now, usually when we go towards this side, we miss the alignment in the hips. So here we have to be a little careful and little aware. So now when you move towards this side, just move a little, feel. You will feel something on the right side of the body here, you know. And that's the time when you need to check your distance. Is it correct or not? You may just feel that maybe you need to go a little back or forward. So I feel that I need to come a little back here, right? And now I will go down, bend my knees, and making sure that I'm lengthening the tailbone towards the floor. Also making sure that my knees are not going too ahead here. It should be in line with the ankle. Very, very important thing in Warrior One and in all the standing balancing posture is that to have a good balance, you need to keep pressing the back foot. So please make sure that you're pressing the back foot. In case you have had an ankle injury or any kind of foot injury, go easy with yourself, right? Now, once again, making sure that you're bringing the rib cage in. Watch yourself, see how you feel. And the right leg should be in 90 degrees. Immediately, if you're a beginner, the hip will not come into alignment. But as in how you practice, it will start to follow. So now when you're here, you'll feel some kind of a stretch here, as in how you go forward. See how you feel, and a little stretch here as well. You'll start to feel. You can see that smile on my face. Okay, now when you're here, your hips you have to be very, very aware of, okay? So My back leg is absolutely straight. This is in 90 degrees. And now I'm ready to be a warrior. One last step, very, very important. So what will happen is you might feel a little strain in your knees. So you might just go a little easy, make a little movement, right? And don't do it for a very long time if you're a beginner. Now when you're here, now there are two things that we're going to do. Something very interesting is that one is the external me, one is the internal me, okay? And we'll be bringing the strength from within, the internal me, and let's see how we feel. So this is my external me. Let me raise it up high. And this is my internal me. And let me just bring them together, bring their energies together to become a better and a bigger warrior. Now, when you're here, you might just feel a little strain here, like I always tell you. Just relax your shoulders. Keep your chest lifted and look up. If you have had any kind of injury in your shoulders or neck, you may just look forward. Or you may just keep your hands down and on your waist. Keep pressing both the feet. I am not a warrior. I am a peaceful warrior. Look forward, bring your hands down. Very slowly and gently turn towards your in the center. Foot this side, facing forward. Now let's do it on the other side to have a better balance of the warrior. So now we'll be in the same position and turning my left foot towards the left side, toes facing that side, and there will be no bend at the moment until I adjust and I fix my right foot. It will come in 15 degrees. And also, if you remember what we did, we were aligning our heels, the left heel with the center of the right foot. So it's almost there. Yeah, perfect. Now, once we are here, remember what we did after this. We will be moving our waist, our entire body towards the left side. Now, if you again, like I said, if you feel that the distance is a lot or less, you may want to adjust. Do it according to your convenience and what your body says. Like I tell you all the time that you have to listen to your body, right? Okay, now when you're here, make sure that this has a 15 degree, the right foot, and the left foot. Now, before we start to bend, keep beautifully and nicely, gracefully, keep pushing your right side of the body towards the left side. So like I said before as well, immediately the hips will not become even, but that's okay, as and how you feel comfortable. Now, when you're here, you may want to bend the knees. Like here, I really want to adjust because probably the distance is a lot. Perfect. Now, when I'm here, adjusting my hips, bending my knees of the left leg. Don't forget to smile. And the left leg will be in the 90 degrees. Unless you feel some pain or some kind of pressure and some kind of a stress, you will not feel that you're a warrior. A warrior knows how to fight, a warrior knows how to win even in the difficult times, right? So here we are, and from here we'll be raising our left and the right hand, but in the style that I just taught you. Have a look here. Is it 90 degrees? Yeah? Good. Now, I'll be raising my right hand up, which is the external me, which is all the time in the external world, the materialistic world, and you know, meeting people, looking at things, getting disturbed, being happy, but in the external world. But there's a bigger world, which is the inner world, the inner me, right? So now I'll be joining my inner me and the outer me together and exchanging the strength so that my life and my internal me and my external me can be more aligned and more powerful. Look up and keep breathing. Keep pressing both the feet to have a better balance. I'm not a warrior, I'm a peaceful warrior. And with the exhalation, bring your hands down, straighten the leg, relax the feet here, do a little movement, and let's bring it together. So, this was warrior 1, and there are 2 more warriors. Unless you get in touch with them, unless you really conquer them within you, you'll not be able to become the perfect warrior. I hope you like this session. I hope you felt something in you apart from all the pain and screaming that you must have faced or felt while you were doing this posture. I would like you to rest after this posture for at least 5 to 7 minutes so that you can feel and absorb that energy of a warrior, of that courage that you really want in your life. So thank you so very much for watching this video. Please stay connected and please write to us if you want to know something more about yoga, if you want to know uh, something different as to what all is in yoga, and any kind of physical, emotional, or psychological challenge if you have, please do write to me. I'll create a session out of it. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that as well. That is the very important thing, because we want to reach out to as many people as we can. Thank you so much. Namaste.